electric pressure washer. This is a AR Blue Clean 383 connected to my hose, plugged in. Very nice long cord there to the garage. And as you can see, also very nice long pressure hose. So I've been pressure washing the sidewalk, and I thought, you know, it's so cool, I should really video it. So here goes. Demonstrate a little bit of cleaning action. Just a second, let me put it on the. So this is adjustable, right? So this is not what I want. I want to drill a hole in the sidewalk. Okay, let's just put a band. There we go. So as you can see, it really does the job nicely. Really cutting out this hasn't been pressure washed for over a year at the very least, because this is the first time I've pressure washed it since we've been here. And I don't think the person before us pressure washed. But anyway, pretty nice. Pretty nice instrument. I like the adjustable nozzle. I can also put a can of soap on this to spray out soap, but I'm not using that right now. It's just working perfectly well without soap. The other thing I should show is how high this can squirt when it's so let's open it all the way up so the flow is unobstructed. Let's watch this thing go into the sky.